This is the Minnesota Street Railroad crossing in Shakopee, Minnesota. There's two of these old safe train cantilevers here again. First one is safe train cantilever. Old style safe train 12 by 24 inch lights on both sides. Actually, there's 3 pairs of safe train 12 by 24 inch lights. Emergency information is 185327J Union Pacific Railroad. Overhead lights are more safe train 12 by 24 inch lights, 2 pairs, and a safe train mechanical bell on top. Across the street, this signal has another safe train cantilever. More newer safe train 12 by 24 inch lights with LEDs. I have no idea what they are though. I'm not good with LEDs. Crossbuck. Overhead lights are older safe train 12 by 24 inch lights and no bell on the signal. There's a relay case over there, and this is the Minnesota Street Railroad crossing in Shakopee, Minnesota. There's looking west and east. Bye.